Thank you. Madaming stock. So, lalagyan ng ganun in between, no, nanay? Dry kasi yung mga ganoon. Food spa! Yung talampakan niyo. Ayan. Saturday. Kasi dry na yung mga... Buko na naman ganito. Ay, another extra $5. Ano video mo tito? Okay, extra $5. We give you bling bling lotion. See, bling bling lotion. Extra $5. Okay? You pay cash. Okay, cash only. Extra $5. See, oh, bling bling legs. Oh, nice legs. See? Okay, come massage.